Looking for a more personal way to teach, sell, coach, advise, or connect with your customers? In this video, I'll show you how to install live video with chat on your website in just a few minutes. Sound good? Hi, I'm Hal from Hulu. If you're struggling with installing live video on your website using expensive and complicated tool, this video will show you step by step how to install the free Hulu widget on your site, so that your customers can connect directly to you and your team without delay, directly from their mobile device, laptop, or computer. Let's get started. The first step is to create a new chat channel in your Hulu account. A channel is a way into your account, and is always connected to a group like sales or support. If you don't have any groups, please watch our Adding Extensions tutorial. You'll need to add a group, even if you're the only user in your company, in order to use the chat feature. Go ahead and click on the Add button to create your first channel. Now we've added a new channel attached to the sales group, it's time for step 2, which is to customize how the widget will look and behave on your website. Change the title of the widget, the logo, and color to match your company brand. Then, decide on where you want the widget to show up on your site. The default is the bottom, right corner, which is fine. And, finally, choose how you want your agent's name to appear in the chat window. Now that the appearance is set, it's time to decide whether you want to support chat only, audio calling, or audio and video calling. You can also have the chat bot ask your visitors for contact information like email address and phone number before the chat begins. Finally, you can enter a brief message in case none of your agents are available. You might include information such as your normal working days and hours. Click on the Save button when you're done. Now that your chat widget is set up and saved, the last step is to add a small piece of HTML code to your website. Just copy the code at the bottom of the form and paste it into your website builder right before the ending body tag. Ask your webmaster for help if you're not sure how to do this. There you have it. In just a few, easy steps, you've added live video chat to your website. We'll cover how your agents interact with incoming chat and calls in a separate video. If you don't have a Hulu account, please visit hulu.com to sign up. Thanks for watching.